Hello all, welcome to Cybercreech, and today in this video we are going to discover all the hidden facts of the deep web. We are going to see how to access it and what are all legal as well as what are all illegal things that is going on there. So if you are someone who is below 18, I would highly recommend not to watch this video as there are some more scary thing on the deep web and I won't recommend you to explore it. So with that said, if you are interested in this video, please make sure to like this video and just subscribe to our channel. So now let's go right into the deep web and let's see where we can find all those crazy things that people talk about.
So in order to get started into the deep web, the very first thing that we need is a browser, because the hidden web is basically hidden from the normal user. So the normal browsers like your Chrome, Firefox won't be able to access this. So in order to enable us to access the deep web, we need a software that can basically provide us a way to get us into the deep web. And for that, we basically use this Tor. So you can basically search on Google for Tor and you are going to be greeted with this website. And once you are on this website, you can just simply go ahead and click on this download Tor, and you can basically download Tor either for Windows, OS X, Linux, and for Android as well. But the most important thing here is that whenever you are going to use the deep web, or basically when you are basically going to use the Tor browser, always make sure never to use the Windows operating system, because the Windows operating system is way more vulnerable than any of these operating systems like your Apple as well as Linux. So I personally would recommend you to just install a Linux, go into the VirtualBox and install Linux. If you don't know how to do that, I have a separate video on that so that you can basically watch it up there. And you can also use the Tails operating system. So let me just show you quickly. So Tails operating system, so this is the operating system especially designed for this type of task. So Tails operating system is basically designed for providing the most safest way to browse the deep web, because deep web is way more scary and there are much more illegal things going on there, so you don't want to get basically hacked from those users. So this is the Tails operating system, and I also have made a separate video on installing the Tails operating system onto the VirtualBox. If you are interested in this, you can also have a look at my video there. So once I think you have either installed this Tails browser or in any of your operating system, now let's start our Tails browser, our Tor browser. So let's start our Tor browser. So I have already opened up my Tor. So this is my Tor browser. So on the Tor, the very first thing that you need to search is Hidden Wiki. So what is Hidden Wiki? So Hidden Wiki is the place in the Tor where you get access to all the different links out there. And let's just start by looking at just their heading. So what are the things that are basically available on the deep web? So there are multiple things that are available and they are scary as well. We are going to take a look at some of them because deep web is so large that we cannot explore even if we try to do our entire life. So that is how big is the deep web. So the first thing that you need to get from this is the search engine. So there are multiple of search engine out there, and the one of the most important thing that I would like to figure out here is that all the website will end at .onion. It is not going to end with your .com, .in, .org or .io, things like that. These are hidden links. These are basically the hidden web or the dark web links. So this links basically ends with .onion, and that is why only the Tor browser is able to access this type of links. So there are multiple of search engines. You can just go ahead and basically find which ones works for you, and you can just start searching. So here I have picked some of the most scariest thing on the deep web, and that is what we are going to have a look here. So the very first thing that I would like to show you is this. So this is basically something related to money laundering. So here what they basically do, they basically ask money from you in the form of Bitcoin. There are multiple websites like this, and they take your money, transfer it to multiple of wallets, then send back to your wallet, just making your money clean. So it is basically converting black money into white money. So this is the first illegal thing that is basically done on the deep web, and there are much more to come. So here you can see you can basically transfer this much amount, transfer fee is this much, total amount that you are going to get is this, and there are taxes and charges that they basically cut. But I just do not just I would like to point here is that do not trust any of this website, because if you have sent the money, where here most of the website are going to accept payment just in Bitcoin or Monero. So Monero and Bitcoin are basically the two mostly widely used currency on the deep web, because they are almost untrackable. So like Bitcoin is almost untrackable, whereas the Monero, which is just emerging now, is completely untrackable. If you send the money, no one knows where it is, and that is why it is highly not recommended to just transfer money here and there. So this is the first thing that I had showed you, and the next thing is hitmans. So if you know anything about hitman, hitman are basically the person who basically kill someone when we basically pay them. So in deep web we also get all sorts of things like this. Like here you can see exterminate anyone with $5,000 to $20,000, and here these are the people that are basically claiming that they can do so. And what you basically need to do here is that this is basically going to be all their links and addresses, and they are also going to accept here you can see their pricing, and they are basically going to accept Bitcoin, and they can kill anybody. Customers are fully anonymous, no name, no email address, so they are just promising this type of things, and these are very dangerous things. You can basically get someone killed just by paying someone. So this is also very scary. So you can just pay like $5,000 and get someone that you want to be killed. So this is basically super illegal, and if you got catch, you know what is going to happen. And you also don't know whether they are trustworthy or they are just scam website, because creating this type of simple website is not going to take let's say more than a day or two. And most of the website in the deep web are not super professional as the website we see on our normal web, because here most of the people are self-taught programmers, so they just design this clumsy website with very less coding just to keep their work going. So that is why you are basically going to see very simple websites. And next here you can see that they are also providing a link. I want to buy firearms, which means you can basically buy guns. As you can see, you can basically buy guns and all sorts of weapons, which is also illegal in just Bitcoin. So here you also see pay with Bitcoin, and here are all the guns that they are basically selling you with Bitcoin. And if you basically want to know much more about Bitcoin, I can basically make a separate video on that. And if you want that, please make sure that you like this video and just comment down, hey, I want to know much more about Bitcoin and the other coin, that is Monero. So I will make a separate video on that, and maybe I can basically do a bit of comparison between both of them. So here you can see you can buy firearms, which is also illegal, and you can basically buy a high amount of weapons. But it is not like on the deep web you are just going to see some scary thing. There's also some normal thing. There's your normal Facebook, but this is not your normal Facebook that you know. If you have the account on the normal web on facebook.com, that credentials are not going to work here, because it is the Facebook for deep web. If you pay a close attention here, you can see Facebook crow wwi.onion. It is ending with .onion, and most of the website URL, like 100% of the time, I can almost say, or 99.99% time, their web URL won't be readable. As in the case, let me show you this murder hitman. You can see hitman xxxy.onion. This firearm, you can see zlm.onion or things like that. So it is very rare to find any website with proper name. They are just random words ending with .onion domain. So this is your normal Facebook. You can basically browse, create account on Facebook and do sorts of chatting with the people on the deep web. But just make sure that you remain anonymous out here. Do not share any personal detail on any forms or any website here. And the next thing there is like also library. You can basically read books. Some of the books are basically banned on your country or something like that. So you can basically read it here. because there are multiple and multiple of the great resources of the learning that is basically not available for common people, and that is why people or researchers basically go have a look in the deep web, learns about all the different type of books that they cannot basically find on the normal web. Now, this things may seem normal, but now let's go to the scarier part. Let's go to the red room. So what is red room? So here you can see, okay, I just don't want to even explain it. So it's super horrible. Let me just quote you here what they basically do. If you have basically no idea, I will just give a movie name which is basically unfriended dark web. So there is a movie called Unfriended Dark Web where you can go ahead and see what all sorts of things people basically do in deep web. Like here in this red room, you can basically pay people to do all sorts of things that you want to be done to any normal human being. Like you can say, hey, just put out his eyes, just cut his hand, and all sorts of illegal things that I don't even like to imagine. And here you can say, and you can be an spectator, take part, this is once in a lifetime experience. And here you can see the price is 0.004 BTC, available to member. And here is to be the master, and if you are the master or here if you are the grandmaster, you can basically order them anything and your wish will be accepted at the first. Then there is commander, and all have the different levels. So here you have to pay 0.0 BTC, available for one member, and as well as you can also download the past videos with this amount of money. So you can see here also it is recommending you to use the Tails operating system or Tails Life USB that I recently taught, and after that destroy the USB completely, because these are all sorts of illegal things and I just don't want to even look at it. And then there is something that I don't even want to show here on the screen, is having the products made from human skin, like the wallet. So what do you think the wallet that you use are made up of? Most of the wallet are made up of leather, that is basically of any animals. But on deep web you can even find things made with human skin. So you can see how much of the dark this world is. Like they use the human skins and human body parts to create human products. So that's an irony as well as that's very dark things to do. And then there is something very common, is basically renting a hacker. So here you can see that there are different packages available. A small job, for example, email, Facebook hacking, you have to just pay 250 euros. For medium hacking, ruining people, means you can basically ruin someone's life, social life, just by paying them some amount. And here larger job which takes few days or multiple small jobs or DDoS protected sites, this much amount. So here you can see that these are the types of things people can basically do in deep web. And I would basically recommend you to just basically search for the hidden wiki, and from hidden wiki you can basically find all sorts of links. So here you can see DuckDuckGo is a search engine. This is uncensored wiki. You can also find 18 plus content, which I don't even want to spell, that are basically done on child. And if you understand what I mean, you can basically understand I'm not just spelling it out because it's YouTube. So here you can see all marketplace, you can basically buy these things which I don't want to spell it on YouTube. And here all type of subscription, hosting, blogs, normal things are also there on the deep web. Forms, chat, email, politicians, hacking, and all types of this type of things that I would highly recommend you not to go ahead and check. So these are the type of things that are available on the deep web, and you can just keep on exploring deep web your entire life and it is not going to end. But make sure whatever you are doing, do it at your own risk and do it on a virtual box, or basically use a live USB to do that. And once that job is done, basically delete the entire USB or basically throw the entire USB if you can. So this was it for the today's video, and I hope that you have liked it. And if you did, please make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. And I will meet you in the next video.